Acne mistake number 3. Remember to change your pillowcases and your towels regularly. Our pillowcases, they have a lot of bacteria and oil secretion on them, especially because our scalp secretes some natural oils, and this could, when you lie down on your pillowcase and then you turn on your side of your face, the sides of your face could be getting irritated because of the oil secretion which is landing up on your pillow and from the pillow getting transferred to your face. So always remember to use a fresh pillowcase and change the pillowcase often. If you are guilty of not changing your pillowcases often, I think that you should start making a habit of flipping your pillow cover at least after 1 to 2 days of use on one side, and then use the other side. After 2 days, change the pillow cover, wash it, get a fresh one instead, and that's how you prevent the reinfection from the pillowcase. The other thing to remember is that if you have towels in the bathroom, remember the wet towels are a great area for germs to multiply, and they are going to come back to your face the next time you put it on it. I always prefer that you use a face towel and discard it after one use, but if you have to reuse it, remember that you have to change it at least every couple of days.